Hey there, engineering fans! Today, we're exploring the science that makes precision heavy lifting possible, where hydraulics, automation, and control systems team up to move the heaviest loads with exacting accuracy. But first of all, what is the key principle behind hydraulics? Well, unlike air, liquids are virtually incompressible. So in practice, this principle is used by applying pressure from a hydraulic pump to move all kinds of huge structures. From raising massive bridge segments to relocating machinery in a factory, precision lifting and load handling is a constant challenge in many industries. The margin for error? Almost none. Enter synchronized hydraulic systems. These blend high-pressure hydraulics with precise programmable logic control. Operators can lift from multiple points using hydraulic cylinders from one interface, maintaining less than 1 millimeter of height difference across the entire load. Jack-up systems raise massive loads from below by stacking lifting frames. Gantries combine vertical lifting from above with horizontal movement, even in tight spaces. And sync hoist systems mount below a crane hook to fine-tune load balance and tilt right in mid-air. For horizontal load shifting, skidding systems use hydraulic push-pull cylinders and low friction pads, while electric trolleys travel smoothly across pre-laid tracks or factory floors. In modern factories, automation is transforming productivity. Automated guided vehicles, AGVs, can move parts without human intervention, navigating spaces using magnetic strips or laser scanning, or when traveling between buildings, using satellite-based GPS. Self-propelled transporters with wireless controls offer multi-mode steering, load balancing, and sensors for obstacle detection. So there you have it. Today's heavy lifting isn't just about brute force, it's about intelligent motion. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.